Today I want to make sushi for lunch. I'm not a professional, so this will be a simple homemade version using whatever I have on hand. I'm cooking the most basic and inexpensive rice. I usually use a rice cooker for this, but you can also cook it in the regular pot. Now we need to make the seasoning for the rice to make it sticky. For this, mix rice vinegar with sugar. I still have some left from last time when I bought it for making sushi. Stir well until the sugar fully dissolves. Then pour it over the rice and mix everything together. So I have 3 sheets of nori left. And this lettuce is a bit tough, so I boiled it for just a couple of minutes. I am using Philadelphia cream cheese. I sliced some carrots and I had boiled eggs, so I cut those into strips as well. And I have some salted salmon, but you can replace it with crab sticks or make a vegetarian version. You can see how to salt salmon in the video, the link will be at the top. Place the rice on the nori sheet and spread it out evenly, leaving the little space at the top. Add all the ingredients and roll it up. Unfortunately, I don't have any fresh cucumber or avocado, but it will still be delicious without them. Please share your favorite tasty fillings for sushi rolls in the comment. At the top, where we didn't put any rice, lightly moisten it with water. This will help the nori stick and hold the roll together. Cut into pieces that are convenient for you. Serve with soy sauce. And now, please enjoy your meal.